Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Kia Sportage Si Premium, stock reference number 5123. The shape runs from the 6th month 2013 through to the 10th month 2015. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Bonnet has 3 small dents. Left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy made with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy made with a good tyre, right rear door has 6 small dents, right front door has 3 large dents, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy made with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.